You're going to wake your ass up. You're going to sit down on the edge of your bed, in the chair, in the couch, and you're going to meditate. 2 minutes, 1 minute. It honestly really doesn't matter. It really doesn't freaking matter as long as you start. I've said this so many times, and this is not a gimmicky trick. It literally does take seconds to shift your consciousness. It takes seconds. As soon as you make the choice, become aware of things that are ruling you, which happens almost immediately in meditative practices, you've shifted into a new you, because we're shifting billions of times per second anyway. You have that opportunity. So you might be saying, well, Dre, you walk around and smoke cigars, you drink coffee. Yeah, I do, but I don't do it right when I wake up in the frickin' morning. That is your time to set your goddamn mind right. I'm so dead serious about this. This will change your freaking life if you just do this for a little while. I talk to so many people. Recently, I've been running a power hour. I'll leave it in the description if you want to join. It's just an hour of coaching, because I know a lot of people don't want to commit to a month, 2 months, 3 months. So I made it easy for you. Easy. Just do this. And this is a lot of the stuff I work with, is just doing this in the beginning. Force yourself to get out of that monkey mind and center and just become present and aware and neutral, non-judgmental. Become the true I am, the true consciousness. When you do this, like I said, it's going to be a little bit difficult if you've never done this before. That's okay. Just keep freaking pushing through it. Nothing is going to come easy. There are a few things that you can do that are easy and you can get results for sure. But think about it. Learning to ride a bike, learning to tie your freaking shoe. You never got it the first time. Like, it takes a little bit, but then it's supernatural. It's supernatural. That's where you'll get to. So I work with people on energy awareness, and it depends on where they're at. If they haven't meditated before in their lives, you start there. But if they have been meditating and are having trouble, then I go into aligning chakras. And I know a lot of manifesting coaches, which I agree with them. But I do this, I take it to another level. Manifesting coaches will tell you don't have to heal, you don't have to do shadow work, you don't have to heal your chakras, none of that stuff. To manifest. Okay? That is absolutely true. Because they're only talking about manifestation. I am talking about healing. Okay? We can align our energy centers of our body for greater healing. Okay? You don't have to do that to manifest. That's where we differ. Manifesting is one thing. Healing the energetic self. Taking a hold of the reins, and you can literally go inside, and I like to put it this way. This is the best analogy I could ever come up with, probably because I've played music for so long. You have 7 chakras. There are 7 notes in a musical scale. Interesting, isn't that? That's very interesting. Now, listen to this. If you were to play an instrument and all of the strings, or all of the notes, sorry, I'm a guitar player, all of the notes are out of tune, that instrument's not going to sound very good. Same with your body. You must tune the instrument. If you tune the instrument, things will change in your life very drastically. Not just, I want to manifest a car, I want to manifest love. No, it's not like that. Those videos, like, there's some really good guys out there. Be Something Wonderful is good. The Power of I Am is really good. Eric's freaking awesome. Shit, I can't remember. Your Universe is a good one. They're very popular. There's some good ones, and they're like they're saying it like it is. They're no holds barred, and they're telling you like it is. But they're really only talking about manifesting. They're not talking about energy awareness, energy alignment. And I think that's a very crucial part of us becoming a complete whole human being in this existence. And I've seen with so many people who they get good with the meditation, and They know how to stay in that centered space for a period of time without being wavered. After you do this, you can go in and align. You can focus on your root chakra, sacral chakra. You can find blocks. You can find hang-ups that, if you can pinpoint something in your life, say, what's a good one? Security trauma. Say you grew up and somehow you have, in some way, there's so many ways, trauma around being secure, being safe, being rooted, being grounded. I went through this. I didn't feel safe growing up. I didn't feel grounded or rooted or secure. My root chakra is the energy cell that handles these things. So when I found out about all this and I started studying it, I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta heal my root chakra. You know, it's not about the have to, but it greatly improves your life, because I've seen it happen to myself and other clients. So I did specific meditations for just my root chakra. And oh my God, pain in my lower back went away. Pain in my abdomen went away when I started doing sacral chakra meditation, which is the chakra just above your root chakra, which your root chakra is at the base of your tailbone, and your sacral chakra is just above that, like right kind of above where your bladder is. So creativity, sexuality, that is where your sacral chakra comes in. And for the longest time, I was teaching guys about semen retention and blocks with loving themselves so that they could actually find, you know, a girlfriend or somebody else to share life with. And sacral chakra became my kind of like go-to, another little worm, my go-to chakra, whoops, sorry, that I would use and teach with guys. And I even made a whole sacral chakra course. I did away with all that because I thought there was a better way to help, and that is through meditation, because that's just numero uno.